Hello students, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE will continue Maths for Standard 5, Lesson 10 Measurement. So let's continue with the worksheet. First question, the weight of one Pepsi can is 53 grams. Find the weight of 19 such cans. So one can is 53, we have to find the weight of 19 cans. One too many, we have to multiply, repeated addition or multiplication. So statements necessary, weight of one Pepsi can is 53 grams. Then number of cans is 19. So total weight will be 53 multiplied by 19. So I make my rough work column and multiply 53 by 19. 9 3s are 27, carry 2, 9 5s are 45 plus 2, 47. Next line 0, 1 3s are 3, 1 5s are 5. 7, 7 plus 3, 10, carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 5 plus 5, 10. So it is 1007 grams. So I write the answer. The weight of 19 such cans is 1007 grams. We move on. The second one, the weight of Seema was 85 kg. She lost 10 pounds. Now pounds is the weight used specially for small babies. Okay, when babies are born, we always say that he is so many pounds because their weight is less. Find her present weight in kg. And they have given a hint, 1 kg is 2.2 pounds. So we have to convert this 10 pounds into kg by following the hint, and then the kg has to be subtracted from 85. So 1 kg is 2.2 pounds. So 10 pounds will be dash kg. So we have to find the kg. For this reason, we have learned the method of cross multiplying. So when to find the kg, we have to divide 10 by 2.2 to find the kg. So when we divide, now there is a point here, so we remove the point. So when we remove the point, we add a 0. So we'll divide 100 by 22. Let's do it in the rough work. 22. 100, 22, 4s are 88. So we minus 9, 10 minus 8, 2, 9 minus 8, 1. Now we bring a 0 down, and what do? Yes, we add a decimal point. Now 22, 5s are 110, 0, 1, and again we can add a 0. Now 22, again we will take 4s are 88. Now this will continue, so we leave it as, so 10 pounds, we can leave it as 10 pounds is equal to 4.54 kg. Okay, now we continue. What was Seema's weight? Seema's weight was 85 kg. She lost 10 pounds, but we will write the lost weight in kg. She lost 4.54 kg. I will write it so that we can subtract it directly. Now when we subtract, lost means now we know it becomes less. So by making it less, we will borrow. 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 5, 4, 4 minus 4, 0, my decimal point, and 8. So my answer is 80.46 approximately. Okay, so my answer, Seema's present age is 80.46 kg approximately. Okay, I hope you all have understood this. Okay. A cake weighing 3.5 kg was distributed among 14 children equally. 3.5 kg cake was distributed. Distributed means when your birthday comes, how we do? We give to everyone. So we divide 14 children equally. What was the weight of each piece in grams? So first we will convert the kg into grams. So everybody knows 1 kg is 1000 grams, going from a bigger to a lower. So 3.5 kg can be also taken as 3.5 kg. So 3.5 kg will be 3.5 multiplied by 1000. Bigger to smaller unit, we know we multiply. So now what do we do? Decimal numbers. So we shift 1 and add. So it becomes 3500 grams. This is the weight of the cake in grams. So weight of cake is equal to 3500 grams. Number of children are 14. So each one gets 3500 divided by 14. So let's divide it in the rough work column. 14 twos are 28 minus 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. Bring the 0 down. 14 fives are 70, and then one more 0 is there. We will add it in the quotient. So it is 250 grams. So my answer, each child gets 250 grams of cake. Number 5, Sudha and Radha stay 115 kilometers apart. Means there's difference between their houses. They decided to meet at a point. Sudha walked 57. Sorry, this is kilometers. Find the distance covered by Radha, and you have to express your answer in meters. So just an explanation, you don't need to do this. Now if Sudha stays here and Radha stays here, the total distance between them is 115 kilometers, and Sudha walked how many? 57. So I have to find the distance how much Radha walked. So what will I do? Yes, minus. So total distance, we start with our statements. Total distance 115 kilometers. Sudha walked 57 kilometers. Radha covered. How do we find out? We will minus that much distance. So we borrow 15 minus 7, 8. Now 0 I cannot minus. So 10 minus 5, 58 kilometers. Now we have to express your answer in meters. So we know 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So 58 kilometers. Now we are going from a bigger unit to a smaller unit. So what will we do? Multiply. So it will become 58,000 meters. So answer, Radha covered a distance of 58,000 meters. Measure the length and breadth of a maths book and write them in dm, decimeter, and m meters. Okay, so now what do? When we measure with the scale, we will get the answer in centimeters, and that we have to convert it into decimeter. You are going to a lower unit, so you'll multiply, and for meters you will go to a higher unit, so you will divide. So you will first measure, either you can measure your textbook or your notebook, but this sum will be for homework. You will do it yourself. You will measure the length and breadth of your book, write it down. The first measure will be in centimeters as per your scale, and then you will convert it into decimeters and meters. So question number 4 for homework. Students, one more homework for you. Two sums of homework. Question number 4 and question number 7. You will draw a clinical thermometer and label and underline first the freezing point of water. What is the freezing point of water? Yes, and you will also write it down. 0 degrees centigrade or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. The boiling point of water. Yes, what is the boiling point of water? 100 degrees centigrade or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. And the normal temperature of of a healthy human body. What is the normal temperature? Yes, it is 37 degrees centigrade or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So question number 4 and question number 7 for homework.